So here is an example of the video, or one of the templates that can be created. This would be something controlled by the header. So this would be the header format, the header portion of the project. The background image would be able to be supplied, where the user can submit this image, and then here we have two columns, one row format, and in this case the mask image is a lot larger than in the previous example, which I'll pull up in a second. Here, this would be the equivalent of the title, so this would be the user title, and that would be all implemented within the software. So if I go ahead and find another template here, let me pause the video. Here is another example that that would be able to be achieved. This is a header. So this is just an image that's submitted in the header. Here are 2 rows with 4 columns in place. So we're able to get this this look from the same app. Now here's another example where we have a 3-column, 3-row template, and then on the left side of the image we have actually I guess it would be a a 4x4 column, where the left column is one larger image, and we have our header on the top, and then we have our footer on the bottom, displaying the the final video. Now in this case, this is in the end the final version of the product. I would say this is something that I wanted it to end up being. We can just have one version of the product where we can do this, but essentially this is just one video template here. This is just one section, and if I wanted, hold on, let me pause for a minute. I'm not phrasing this correctly. So this is no different than any of the other images that we've seen so far. The only thing that's going to be different, and this is the only thing that wasn't specified yet, was having multiple pages within one product, or multiple pages within one video. So these down here would end up being a different page template, essentially. So it would allow us to create transition between templates. So, whoops. So let's play that. So you get to see it's going through, and then within a certain, each page has a length. This would be the equivalent of a 3-row, 1-column with title, subtitle next to it, and this would be the equivalent of the border here. So this is essentially the main product, that I was going for. I don't know if at the end things got slightly more confusing, but essentially that's a second revision to the project, where the first one I'm just creating those images, and this one I'm able to blend between different template files. So hopefully this clears things up and won't make things more confusing.